Today we're going to take a day trip to Grand Marais. Right now we're just walking along the beach near Hurricane River and Lake Superior. Pretty nice beach, lots and lots of pretty rocks. I think we're going to go walk down to the lighthouse though and see what's going on there. This is part of the Hurricane River going to Lake Superior here. That's the beach we were just walking on right in there. Now we're going to go to the lighthouse to see if it's open. I believe you can walk right on top of it. Right now I'm on the trail to the lighthouse. The sign back there by the beach says about 1.7 miles. So yeah, we're on the way to the lighthouse. Oh, look at this. Right on the trail. Got some blueberries. Some nice UP blueberries. See, we're coming up on the lighthouse right here. You can climb all the way up inside of it, but it's a $5 a person. Cash only, so. But we're still gonna do it. There's the lighthouse. It's pretty tall. It's pretty neat. Over here in the lighthouse, it looks like it says they got a free museum that you can look at, which is pretty cool. So if you're ever around in the area, you go to the lighthouse, they got a free museum. So come check it out. It looks like some, what are these? We got some foghorns. Must be for the boats. That's pretty neat. If you're ever in the area, here's all the lighthouses you can visit. Got one in Marquette. We tried visiting there, but you have to pay. Got the Eagle Harbor, Copper Harbor. Alright guys, here we go. We're going all the way to the top of that lighthouse.
Yeah, so you guys go and have fun.
They say they actually lived in this lighthouse for a while.
Already this high up.
Yeah, a little bit more to go.
Yeah. Just had to go through that hatch right there. And here we are. Right at the top of the lighthouse. See a log slide over there. Lake Superior. Now we're on the way back down. These things are really cool. Spiral staircase all the way down. Pods and steps. We made it to the log slide. So we're about to go check that out. Should be coming up on it here in a few minutes. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Looks like they got some tools of the trade, what they used to use back in the olden days when they, back in this log slide here. Here's some of the tools they used. Big ol', used to put the logs right on there so the horses could carry it down, and looks like the same thing here, little sled. But you could really tell how big the logs were by how big this is. That's probably a good 10 feet, 10-foot wheel. Here's the beginning of this log slide here. I think it's all sand. I'll show you guys when we get to the top here. This is a pretty big, you see all Lake Superior. Here's the log slide part. Didn't look very steep from the way over there, but looks pretty steep. I'm gonna run down it. So, yeah, here it is.
Yeah, your old knees might break down. It's steeper than it looks. I'm glad I got to see somebody do that because I don't think I'll do it.
He's still going too.
You're not gonna go down there?
all fun and games, so you gotta go back up.
He's still running. He's still on his way.
Yeah, I've seen him start
Yep.
off. Can you see him from there?
Yeah, he's down. He's at the bottom now.
Good luck.
This is a very, very steep hill. I just ran down all that. Now I gotta get back up it. Holy crap, guys. Either I'm in really bad shape. This is a really huge. Not even all the way up. It's gonna take me a minute. Wow. This is not okay. Probably can't tell. But I'm about just halfway up it. I'm not a big fan. I just want to get the top already. Almost there though. Gotta get that much further. Yeah. It's definitely not the move. I would not climb this again. Holy. Oh, way over there. That's where I just was at the layout. Dude. It is so high. I just want to be done already. Well, we reached our second destination for today. Sable Falls. It's about 500 feet. We're just doing a variety of stuff today, so I figured I just you know, record it and for memories and stuff. So we're about to go check out. It says there's 168 steps down to Sable Falls. Sable, not stable. Sable Falls. Let's go check it out. Here we are, coming up on Sable Falls. Oh yeah, definitely a nice waterfall for sure. Once you come down the 168 steps, that ain't bad. We'll go down the path a little more. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. Walking right down to the Sable Falls. I'm gonna attempt to go right under the waterfall right there. Made it down to the waterfall. There's a spot literally right under the waterfall. You can see in there. I want to go in there, but it'll be pretty hard. Well, I guess we can give it a try. I don't know. I'll just get that close to the waterfall. I did stick my head in the waterfall though. That was cool. Well, now I'm gonna head back to the car. That's one thing about the UP. Those little chipmunks are not afraid of you. I had one crawl up right on my foot. If you guys ever come to the small town of Grand Marais, it's a brewery we just ate at. Pretty good pizza. Looking over Lake Superior over there. Really good cream soda too.